In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix payment not completed on the App Store. If you're seeing that message when you try to download or purchase an app, don't worry. This is a common billing hiccup and the fix is quick. We'll refresh your payment method inside your Apple ID settings and get you back to downloading in just a few minutes. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top of the screen, tap your Apple ID, the section with your account profile. This is where Apple keeps everything related to your account, including payment and subscription details. Going in here lets us make sure your billing information is up to date and properly recognized by Apple's systems. Next, choose Payment and Shipping. You'll be asked to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. That's normal and keeps your account secure. Once you're in, you'll see your current payment methods along with your shipping address. This is the place we'll refresh your payment details so the App Store can charge successfully again. Now, remove your current payment method. Tap the payment method you're using, then tap Remove Payment Method and confirm by tapping Remove. This doesn't delete your account or your apps, it simply clears the stored billing token so Apple can create a clean, updated entry. Think of it as resetting the connection between your payment card and Apple's billing system. After that, add the payment method again. Go back to the payment and shipping page and tap Add Payment Method. Carefully re-enter your card details or add a new payment method if you prefer. Double check that the card number is accurate, the expiration date and security code are valid, and the billing address exactly matches what your bank has on file. Pay close attention to abbreviations, apartment numbers, and postal codes. Make sure the name appears as it does with your bank, and avoid extra spaces if you're pasting information. When everything looks correct, tap Done and wait for the confirmation. Now it's time to test. Open the App Store and try downloading or purchasing an app again. With your payment method freshly re-added, the transaction should complete without the payment not completed error. And that's it. Your App Store purchases should now go through normally. If this tutorial helped you solve the problem, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more clear practical tips and App Store tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.